everyone, it's me again, Christine Pido from the College of Teacher Education, major in Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is magda-drafting tayo. Ang ida-draft natin is yung front and back bodies foundation pattern. Lamang ang gagawin natin ngayon. Magpa-pattern lang tayo, gagawa tayo ng drafting. So, a bodice is an article of clothing for women and girls, covering the torso from the neck to the waist. The term typically refers to a specific type of upper garment common in Europe during the 60th to the 80th century, or to the upper portion of a modern dress to distinguish it from the skirt and sleeves. A usually fitted vest or a wide lace-up girdle worn by women over a dress or a blouse, especially a cross-laced, sleeveless outer garment covering the waist and bust. Common in peasant dress, the part of a woman's dress covering the body between the neck or shoulders and the waist. So, parang yung mga old fashions na clothes ng katulad ng mga sila Cinderella, pati yung if napanood nyo na yung Bridgerton o kaya yung Anne with an E, yun, gumagamit sila ng tinatawag na corset. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start! Here are the materials that I am going to use. I have here French curve, ruler, pentel pen or marker, and measuring tape, and also the measurements from my model. Here are the examples of measurements from my model. Start with draw a perpendicular line. And mark the corner at A. So the A is the starting point. From point A to get point B, measure 3 inches downward. From point A, measure 8 inches to get point C. From A, measure half of the armhole. From point A to locate point E, use the figure length. So for example is 15.5 inches yung figure length natin. Project points B, C, D, and E to the right with straight line using the ruler. As you can see guys, medyo nagkamali ako doon. A to F, use 2.5 inches to get point F. Now, connect point F to point B downward. Using the French curve, shape the neckline. As you can see guys, nagkamali ako doon na part eh hindi naka-position ng maayos yung curve, French curve. Point A to G, use half measurement of shoulder. G to H downward, measure 1.5 inches and draw straight line downward. Connect F to A with a diagonal line using the ruler. From C to the right, half measurement of the chest, locate point I. Connect H to I with a diagonal line using a ruler. Start point D to the right, use 1/4 bust measurement, and then add 1 inch to the right to locate the point J. Using the French curve, shape the armhole from point I to J. From point E, use 1/4 waist measurement, then add 1.5 inches. So that is point K. Connect J to K with a diagonal line. To get point M from point E, use 1/2 bust distance. To locate point M. From point M, same measurement, 3/4 inches left and right. To locate N and O. Almost forgot. To locate point J, start A to the right to measure the bust height. So the bust height here is 8 inches. Measure it downward to locate L. Make sure that from E to M is same as the measurement from point L to the left. So adjust measurement for the L. Connect L to M, L to N, and L to O. Now, as you can see, we're almost done for the front bodies. To finish, fold the dart from O to N. Then connect K to E with the use of ruler. So this is now the finished product for the front bodies. Next, let's move on to the back bodies. Going to use red marker. From point A, measure 1 inch to locate point 1. Then shape it with the use of French curve from point M to point 1. To get the back shoulder, raise 1/2 inch from point H to get point 2. Then connect F to point 2 with a diagonal line using a ruler. To get the back armhole, measure 1/2 inch from point I to the right to locate point 3. To get point 4, from point J to the left, measure 1/2 inch. To locate point 5, from point K, measure 1/2 inch to the left. Connect point 4 and point 5 with a diagonal line. Shape the back armhole starting point 2, passing point 3, going to point 4 using a French curve. To locate point 6, from point L, measure 1 inch upward. Left and right of point M, measure 1/2 inch each. To locate point 7 and point 8. Connect point 6 to M, 6 to 7, and 6 to 8. To finish the back bodies, fold the back dart. Connect point 8 to point 7. And then, connect 5 to E using a ruler. And we are now done with our back bodies. We can now transfer the back bodies to another paper. So in here, I already transferred my back bodies to another paper. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something and I hope to see you again on my next video. Stay tuned and God bless everyone. Goodbye!